So I'm recording an Ask Me Anything video today, and the question is from James: what's your favourite activity on the allotment? Well, I suppose the obvious thing to say would be harvesting. I really love to harvest. Harvest is a highlight of our week. We do it once a week. But the less obvious thing, I think, perhaps, is that I love to plant. And I love the process of approaching a bed that's kind of old and tired, maybe a bit of rot in it, just looking, past its best, and getting it cleared and weeded and sort of pristine. And I do like a pristine bed at least once a year or once a season. And then dibbing my holes. I do like dibbing. It's kind of quite a tranquil kind of little activity. And then getting my bed planted again. And the example I've just shown today is lettuce, and these are winter lettuces. These are lettuces planted in winter for a spring harvest. So sometime in March, exactly when, depends on the weather. And it's a nice thing to do because it's nice to get out and about and do a bit of planting in winter. But it's also nice to have your favourite spring varieties super early without tying up really valuable polytunnel space. So that, I think, is really my favourite activity, is planting. See you soon.